How to play video in slow motion on iPhone. To get started, first of all go to the App Store and download the CapCut application on your phone. Open the app. On the app's main page, tap on the New Project button to begin. This opens the iPhone's photo library. Select a video of your choice and tap on Add to import it. The video is loaded into the editing timeline. Now, tap directly on the video clip in the timeline to select it for editing. Create short clips by tapping on Split below. Then, select the clip you want to do slow motion. By selecting the clip, a toolbar appears at the bottom. From this toolbar, select the speed option. Then choose the normal speed adjustment tool. A slider appears, set it to 1x, which is the default or normal speed. Here, you can drag the slider to the left, slowing the video down to your desired speed. Now, confirm it by tapping on the check mark. After previewing the video playing in slow motion, tap the export button in the top right corner to save the final video to your device. Following these steps, you can easily play video in slow motion on an iPhone.